Welcome back everyone. This video is about bulk image generation. Okay, the image automation. If you would like to generate videos and you need images, so this video is very helpful for you. Before we were using Whisk AI and Whisk Auto Whisk tool for a bulk image generation, and we were using Whisk, but the Whisk will shut down on April 30. But we have a new tool, a new extension and also a new tool released by Google Flow. We will use that tool which is more powerful than Whisk and more advanced than Whisk, and also we will use an advanced extension for that to generate images in bulk for free. Everything for free. My all videos are for free to do everything. If those are related to videos, images, everything will be in free. So let's get started, okay, to use this extension and generate images in bulk. So simply just come here to the new tab, and here we will search for the extension. Okay, so the extension is that we would like to install, that is R2 VEO, or we can search VEO automation. Simply this, and this is a new extension. So you will see the first one, okay, the first extension. Look at VEO automation R2 VEO on Google Flow. Click on this and we will open it and we will install this one. The rating is 4.6 and total downloads 50,000. So let's add this to the Chrome. Add to Chrome, press this button. So pop up add extension. So we will add it and it will download this extension. Let's wait. So the extension has been added. Let's close this. This is their website, and let's come here back to the extension and we will pin that extension. That's it. Now we will open this extension. So it says navigate to Flow. So we will navigate now to the Flow. Navigate to Flow. So it will directly move to the labs.google FX tool/flow. This is the new tool that we will use in the future. The Whisk AI will shut down on April 30. This is the notification that you can see. So come here, and here we can just click create a new project or this existing project. I will click the existing project. So it will open that project for us. So this is our project. And come here to the extension. Now we will explore the extension. Okay, just come here. So here we have different options. In control, look at text to video, frame to video, ingredients to video, text to image, image to image. What we want in this video, we would like to automate image generation. So text to image, we will click this option. So here it says one prompt. It means how many prompts? We just want one prompts per line. Okay, it means to process just one prompt at the time. So random delay, that is the default, is okay, or you can just increase this, for example 40. How much minute it can delay? What else remained? Just come here, back here we will paste our prompts. The prompts should be separated by an empty line. Like look at this is the example. So come here, I have here the prompts. These are prompts. Okay, just come here. I just generated a story. Then I generated these images using Whisk AI. We will compare at the end. So Tom and Jerry story, a short story by ChatGPT. Then I wrote give me 15 image prompt for the above story. These are the prompts, and I ask write them in one story, one message, and separate them by empty line like this, and copy them all. So after copying them, back here and paste those all prompts. So these are our prompts. Look at 15 prompts that you can see. Look at the image mode per prompt, one image per prompt. This is how it looks like. And how many outputs per prompt you want? We want just one image per prompt. You can generate even 4 images per prompt. And where you would like to store it, the folder VEO folder 1. That's it. And let's come here back above, come here to the setting. You can just do here the setting for text to video, but we want text to image. Here you can select for the video model, which model you prefer. And for the image, Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro, we will select Nano Banana 2. And here 16:9 ratio for YouTube. This is for the video, new image. Yeah, that's it. These are some settings that you can do. Come here back to control and we will just run. Let's simply press run button. So it will start generating our images using this extension and Flow, Google Flow. So it is running. Okay, look at this is in the process. Look at it directly moved to the image and one, and here it will just generate, select Nano Banana 2, and it will generate our first image. Look at it is generating. So let's start. It will automate the task. Let's wait for some time. So it has downloaded our first image. Look at it is in the download. You will see that here the download. My internet connection is very slow. So it is downloading now. Automatically it will do all the tasks just in minutes. So 2 image has been downloaded successfully. Now let's check it. Okay, just come here to the download section. And here we will see first of all the Whisk images. This was the first image of Whisk. Let's check it. Okay, these are the Whisk, and now we will check the images of which are downloaded by our new extension Google Flow. Just the 2 images has been downloaded. This is the first one. Look at how amazing this is. 100% correct and more powerful than the previous one. It will do this job automatically and download all images for you. So this was all about the image automation and image generation in bulks for your videos. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question, and also subscribe for more videos like this. And finally, thanks for watching.